464 steam locomotive wheel arrangement, most famously known as the Hudson in North America and the Baltic in Europe, was one of the pinnacle designs of high-speed express passenger rail travel during the 1920s through the 1940s. Here is the lowdown on the Riverossi HO scale New York Central, NYC, 464 Hudson, road number 5405. The prototype history: Class J3a Hudson, built in 1937 by the American Locomotive Company, ALCO, for the New York Central Railroad. Road number 5405. Number 5405 holds historical significance as the first non-streamlined J3a Hudson in the series, road numbers 5405 through 5444. These iconic steam engines hauled prestigious passenger trains like the 20th Century Limited and Empire State Express. Key features of the Riverossi model. Riverossi, originally produced in Como, Italy and often imported into North America by AHM, associated hobby manufacturers, under item codes like 1279, 1581, or AHM 5096B, produced one of the most famous vintage HO scale renditions of this locomotive. Scale: HO scale 1 to 87. Body construction: high-impact molded plastic for the boiler, cab and tender shell, mounted on a metal frame. Drivetrain: powered by a classic 12 VDC motor inside the locomotive body, driving steel side rods and 83-inch scale box-box drivers. Signature detail: Riverossi's vintage J3a is famous among collectors for being one of the few HO models of its era to include detail for the trailing truck booster motor drive. Tender: features the large 6-axle, 3-axle Commonwealth bogies, 14,000-gallon NYC coal tender, complete with under-chassis water scoop details, replicating the real system NYC used to scoop water at speed. Full railroad insights. Control: original factory versions run on standard DC analog. However, because of the open internal chassis design, many modern hobbyists install aftermarket DCC or sound decoders, like soundtracks, and LED directional headlights. Couplers: vintage releases came equipped with standard horn hook, X2F couplers, or international hook and loop couplers, though most modelers convert the tender coupler to a modern knuckle coupler, GKD. Collector value: it remains a beloved classic on the secondary market. Well-maintained units are praised for smooth gear-driven operation, though original plastic valve gear parts can require careful handling.